Good afternoon, YouTube. It's March 5th, 2016. This is a video of our homemade maple syrup evaporator. It was kind of a family project, and I wanted to show you guys how we did it. We got a 4-foot fuel oil tank from a neighbor of ours. I think next time we'll do a 6-footer. I just think it'll give us more surface area for heating. But what we ended up doing is we ended up cutting this top, and then we cut the other cap off the other end and capped it on this end. We cut a 6-inch chimney. We have two 2-foot sections of chimney pipe. We have handles on it so we can move it like a wheelbarrow with some wheels made out of 8-inch round stock. We have a nice little blower on there which helps with getting it hot. The heavy duty door. Found an old wrench in the field with a metal detector, so we welded that on there. We got expanded metal grate, and we lined it with some just brick from my neighbor had laying in his yard when he built his house, so we used that, which is held up. We've already burned off 120 gallons of sap last weekend, and it's holding up pretty good. It cracked in a couple spots, but this stuff here I got at Menards, and this other stuff's been holding up, so I don't think we're going to mortar it. We're just going to go with this. It's retaining heat pretty well, and it hasn't used much wood, so we're pretty impressed. We got 2-inch channel or angle iron, and then we left it open here in case we have to pull the stainless steel pan off. But it's actually working pretty good. We're very impressed with it, and we'll put another video out when we start boiling sap. This is our stainless steel warming pan, and we have we put the cold sap into here, and we let it trickle into this warming pan, which is 27 by 37 inches, and we put handles on it in case we have to pull it off. The sap trickles into here. There's a hole in the bottom here where it serpentines through to the other side. I don't know if you can see that, and then it serpentines through back over here, and this is where we pull it off here, and then we filter it. You can get these filters at Flea Farm. One thing we did do is we put fireplace gasket in here because it was kind of smoking, so that helped with the smoking. It sealed pretty good, but this thing, it really does a good job. We're pretty impressed with it. We already got 4 gallons of syrup this year, and it's been a nice family project. One more thing I wanted to show you guys. We put a damper back here, and found an old piece of farm equipment out in the field and welded that on and used an old exhaust spring, and we got a 1/4-inch flapper valve on the inside, so, and some handles. It worked out pretty good. We're pretty happy with it. So I'll have another video tomorrow of us boiling the sap and making maple syrup.